Table of contents. Finding your niche. Who do you want to work with? Who serves that audience now? What skills and solutions can you offer this niche? What makes you different? Check an affiliate network for products that serve that audience. Finding the right product or service to promote. Problems and solutions. Different programs. Determining profitability. Creating your own products or services. Problems and solutions. Different programs. Determining profitability. Finding the right affiliates, and ones to avoid. Problems and solutions. Different programs. Determining profitability. Helpful technology for affiliate marketers. Website tools. Domain name. Website hosting. Website builder. Landing page builder. Email marketing. Market research. Traffic generation. Tracking and converting. Content marketing. Marketing for more sales and profit. Content marketing. Search engine optimization. Paid marketing. Social media marketing. Email marketing. Affiliates. Joint venture partnerships. The steps to getting started. Affiliate marketing guide to getting profits. One way to grow a business is to create a strong sales force. Building your own sales force used to be very expensive, and due to that it was a substantial barrier to entry for product creators. Thankfully, due to the advent of amazing online tracking technology, you can not only become a salesperson yourself for many different products and creators, but you can also create your own products to sell. Using affiliate technology, you can also build a sales force that can bring in multiple six figures and even millions of dollars all without hiring employees. You only pay your sales force, affiliates, if they make a sale. As an affiliate salesperson, you only earn money if you make a sale. It sounds simple, and it really is. However, it's a good idea to learn all you can about affiliate marketing before you jump in. Learning about affiliate marketing and the various ways you can maximize your earnings will push your business to the next level and take you toward being the true CEO of your business. To be successful with making affiliate marketing profits, you'll need to find your niche, discover the right products to promote, create your own products, find the right affiliates to market them, and keep your affiliates motivated. It all starts with finding and understanding your niche. Finding your niche. The very first thing you need to do if you want to make money as an affiliate marketer, whether you're going to make money selling other people's products or your own, best to do both, is that you need to figure out who you want to work with and what niche you want to be part of. Who do you want to work with? One way to figure out the type of people you'd like to work with or help is to look inside yourself to find your interests and passions. If you really enjoy being around certain people and you know about their hopes, desires, and needs due to being part of that audience yourself, that's one way to do it, as you will already have insight. However, don't let this give you an excuse not to do your research. Your experiences, even as part of your niche audience, are subjective and real results may be very different than you imagine. Try describing your ideal customer in 1 or 2 sentences to help you move forward. Who serves that audience now? Once you have identified a potential niche audience, it always helps to look at the competition. After all, if this niche has no competition, is it really a profitable niche? Some people will say that you should go for the low competition niches, but it's better to go for the niche that offers enough potential customers for you to reach your income goals if your conversion rate matches industry standards. For example, if there are 1,000 potential customers, and according to your research there is a 4 to 7% conversion rate, and you know that you can get your materials and information in front of those 1,000 customers, you may get at most 70 customers from a campaign. Is your price point high enough for those 70 customers to make you profitable? What skills and solutions can you offer this niche? Do you have specialized education, experience, or knowledge that makes you particularly suited for this niche? You don't have to be part of the audience to do well in a niche. For example, if you have identified a niche that needs someone to advise them on products to use for their love of camping which are different from what's out there, you can still learn about it and serve the audience even if you have no camping experience or appreciation of camping. Maybe instead of direct experience, you have resources that enable you to pay people with subject matter expertise to create your business. What makes you different? Always look at yourself too. What makes you different from your competition? What skills can you offer to this niche that others can't? How can you stand out from the crowd? Are you going to approach the niche in a different way than the others? For example, if you're a business coach, or you buttoned up or a free spirit. Whatever you're going to attract an entirely different segment of your audience base than someone who is different from you. Check an affiliate network for products that serve that audience. The other thing you want to do is ensure that any niche you choose is profitable. Asking yourself if it's profitable is an important question. Just because you have internet and passion doesn't make it a profitable niche. What makes it profitable is that the target audience exists in enough quantity and has enough money to buy the solutions you create and offer. Once you narrow down some options, the primary considerations are whether your niche idea is profitable or not, and whether you have the skills to proceed or not, either skills you learn or skills you buy from others. Choose a niche that you like that can provide enough profit and that you know how to serve. Finding the right product or service to promote. Now that you know who your audience is and the niche you want to be part of, it's time to find the right products and/or services to promote to them. There are numerous ways of finding the products or services to present to your audience. Problems and solutions. Once you have an idea of who your audience is, you can focus on figuring out their problems and then locating solutions to help them. Make a list of at least 3 problems that you want to solve for the audience, based on the niche you've chosen. Here is an example. 1. Audience: married working moms of school-aged children who thrive on order. 2. Problems: keeping a family calendar, meal planning, organizing. 3. Potential solutions: digital calendars, DIY meal plans and shopping lists, organization tips and organization products. Once you have a list of problems and solutions, go to some known affiliate networks to look for the products you have identified as a good fit. A quick search on ClickBank.com, a popular affiliate network where you can find products in any niche to market as well as used to promote your own products, reveals several products that you might want to promote, such as Get Organized Now. Don't just start promoting that now, though. Make a list of several products. Then, do some research on each product. Find out about the creator, look at the conversion rate for the product, and think about how the creator's values and style fit in with the brand voice you want to display. If you don't know someone who knows them to vouch for their professionalism, test them out by buying the product yourself so that you can evaluate the quality of the product and the company for their customer service. After all, as an affiliate marketer, you are turning your customers over to someone else to serve. You need to make sure they will take good care of your customers so that your audience continues to value your recommendations. Different programs. There are numerous affiliate networks that list opportunities for you to promote to your audience. Each has its own quirks and issues that you'll have to learn about as you join a network. You can also find